how to use the Instagram DM sticker. It's a well-known fact that the more engaged you are with someone, the more likely they are to see your posts. And because Instagram posts aren't presented to you in a chronological order, but rather they're presented in an order where the person that is the most engaged with you will see the post first, or meaning people that like your content, comment on your content, or start DMs with you will see your content first. And if that's true, the more DMs you have with people, the better it is. So in this video you'll learn not only how to use the Instagram DM feature, but also how to use it effectively to attract an engaged audience and to re-engage their followers. All I want from you is to grab exactly two things. First, a cup of coffee, cause you're awesome, and second, my Instagram 0 to 10k followers guide in the description down below. That's absolutely free. And if you're new, just smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And subscribe with bell notifications on if you're new. So let's get right into the video. How do you use the feature? The first thing you should know is if you don't have the Instagram DM feature in your stickers, you need to just update your app. Just go on the App Store, update Instagram, or uninstall Instagram and install it again. If you're wondering why you still don't have it afterwards, check a video that I've already created a while ago in the cards above, how to get the DM, the music feature, and all the other features. Okay, so here I am on my Instagram account right now. And let's say that I'll create a story right here, right? I'll click on boomerang and I'll do something like hello, right? And then we gotta click on stickers, and normally you should have the DM feature. If you don't have it, as we said, you should just uninstall Instagram or check the video that I mentioned on my channel. You just click on the DM feature and now you gotta type something, but maybe you're not really feeling that creative. So what you can do is shuffle random questions like let's chat, how's it going, send memes, need to talk, how's it going, let's chat. Okay, it's pretty much the same. And you can change the colors. You don't have that many options though. Oh, you have the orange one. I really like the orange one. And we promised that we also learn how to re-engage that follower. So if someone is a dead or inactive follower, chances are you lost somewhere along the way with your content. First of all, figure out what he's actually interested in when you have your niche in mind. For example, if you are in the car niche, what kind of a question can you make the person DM you about? For example, to know if my first car is your favorite brand. Something like this, right? That's a little bit personal, but also is something that someone that's interested in a car page would be eager to ask. You can get way more creative with that if you spend more than 5 seconds trying to figure out the question, but just think about good examples within your niche. And then when someone sees the DM feature and just clicks on it, he'll instantly be able to reply with a DM that will then be sent to your inbox. You can start a conversation with them afterwards. So this is it. It was pretty simple now, wasn't it? If you stayed until the end of the video, I can shout you out in one of the next videos. All you gotta do is comment your Instagram username down below and what your Instagram user is about, and I'll shout you out in one of the next episodes. And you know who the shout out winner in this episode is? Remember that the video day keeps the doctor away, and by the end of this video episode, you should definitely check one of these videos. See you next one. Bye.